guys, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I've got a little 8x8 here. I want to do a spin TLP piece on, and I've been fussing around with some colors, so I'm going to just go ahead and flood this canvas with my house paint, which is Color Place from Walmart. It's about $16 for a gallon. It's pretty reasonable, and it seems to do the job. It's kind of like Shelly Art, or the British paints that they have in Australia. It's got some elasticity to it, but hopefully we're not gonna need to tilt, because I'm not a good tilter, but I love to spin. And I think Sienna Blue was the first one who taught us how to spin about a year ago. And thank you, Sienna. Anyhow, I'm gonna try and get my sides too, because I want the paint to flow over. Because I want those juicy cells to go all the way over. And they need something to stick to. There we go. My paint's getting a little bit on the thick side because it's been open for a little bit. So, gotta hurry, gotta move it. All right, so I'm gonna start with a little bit of Boom Gel. This is Mally Ring Neck Blue. And that's gonna go in the center. And then we're going to go with a little cappuccino. Just a little, not a lot. And then we are going to do some mermaid. Lots and lots of mermaid. Lucky the mermaid. All right, and then I'm gonna put some quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. And I have some leftover pigments from Amazon. I put them all together. So it's giving us kind of something else I was gonna put on there. Oh, maybe it was, yeah. This is a mixture of Glisten and, remember, Glisten and something. And then these are the ones that I mixed up, and they're kind of cool. I'm trying to think if I'm missing anything. I don't think so. These are the ones I had on Amazon. It has like a purple hue to it, because it was mostly purple. So I hope I have enough paint here. We have lots of bubbles. Pop, 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 pop. And hopefully we don't have to okay, it's white. Yeehaw. Silver pie. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit here and see where it takes us. One of these days I'll do negative space, but I don't think this is one of those days. So we're gonna just let that sit for a minute or 2 or 5, let it come up, and then we're gonna spin it. I don't know if I like it. The smaller tiles always work out better, don't they, guys? We'll see. If not, I can scrape it. I've got lots of paint here. But you got to give it time to come up. I'm really liking that boom gel. That's not doing any good. I might have to scrape it and start over, but let's spin it out anyways. Let's just give it a few more minutes. Maybe it's because I did that with the cell activator. Needed to just make a puddle. All right, let's give it a spin. Oh shit, shoot. Oh fudge. All right, that's not what I was going for at all. It's coming off. And it's getting scraped. There we go. Give me a paper towel. Don't even really have to do this. I just like a nice blank surface when I start. That way you guys don't know if this is a fresh canvas or not. Edit, edit, edit. All right, let's try it again. Here we go. I think I saw a blob in there. Boom gel. I really like that color. Let's try this instead on the bottom. So there's two opaques next to each other. I usually don't do that. Boy, I spun that stuff out. It almost hit all of my pigments. And now that I've messed up the order, it might not turn out at all like I had anticipated. There is a mermaid. Lots and lots of mermaid. And let's just try and put a little bit of this stuff. Maybe put it around. All right, that stuff's thinner, so it's not exactly the same consistency, which could be messing me up here. Let's try it anyway. Okay, getting my Yiho ready. Put a circle in the center, and let's let it fly. Well, that's better. Much better. Cool. All right, I'm gonna shut you off while it develops. Guys, we're gonna spin it out. It's looking pretty nifty. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'm liking that. Make sure some of that paint drips off the bottom on the sides, because I have some beautiful, yeah, I hope it just keeps going down. I spun too much of it off, I think. Well, this side is completely filled with cells. Oh yeah, I'm liking this a lot. All right, guys, take you down for a close-up. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, here she is. Look at that sparkle. I'm happy with this one. Wow. It's gorgeous. These colors. And juicy cells running down. Gotta love it. Oh, yeah. So I'm really happy with my new TLPs. They're gorgeous. Check out that cappuccino. Ooh. And of course our lovely mermaid. And that's our boom gel right there. My hands are slippery. I'm going to let you go for now. But please like, subscribe, and share. And hope to see you at my next video. Be safe and create.